Okay, guys, so for today's one there, we can see that Tom got 36 euros for his birthday and he spent 1/4 of it on a new t-shirt. How much did the t-shirt cost? Okay, so what we have here, guys, is we're given an amount and we need to find what the fraction of a number is. All right, so that's our goal for today, is to find out what a fraction of a number is. So we know that all of his money is 36 euros. Okay, so we can say that 36 euros is the same as 4/4. All right, so 4/4 equals 36 euros. We want to find out what 1/4 is. Okay, so to find out what 1/4 is, then we need to divide by 4. Okay, so we take 36 and we divide it by 4. Okay, so whenever you want to find out, for the majority of questions here, the first thing you'll want to do is you want to divide by the denominator, okay, the number on the bottom. So we divide by the denominator. That'll tell us what 1/4 is. Okay, now it might be fifths, it might be eighths, it might be tenths. You still divide by the denominator to find out what one of them is. Okay, and we'll look at that in the next question. So for this one here, we're getting half of 44. Okay, so we'll say, for example, that if you go into a shop and you have 44 euros in your pocket and you spend half of it on a t-shirt, well then how much is that going to be? All right, so what we do there, for half of 44, we take our denominator, which is 2, and we divide 2 into 44, and that'll give us 22. So our answer there is 22 euro. Okay, so all we're doing is we're dividing by our number on the bottom. Okay. And what if it's like this question here? What if it's in fifths? So again, we just take our denominator, our number on the bottom, and we want to go into a shop, and let's just say we have 35 euros in our pocket this time, and we spend a fifth of our money on some vegetables. How much money have we spent on vegetables? So we take our fifth and we divide 5 into 35. Okay, and 5 goes into 35 7 times. That's 7 euro there is going to be our answer. Okay, so that's how we do it. That's how we find a fraction of a number if we're looking for one fraction of it. But what happens if we're looking for more than just one? So if it's not 1/4 or 1/5 or 1/2, what if it's more than that? Like in this case here, we have 3/4. Okay, what do we do in this case? Well, the first thing we have to do is we still do the same thing we did in the last question, and we divide by our denominator. We still divide by that. So that's still step 1. So the first thing we do is we divide 4 into 28, and that's going to give us 7. So what we have here with that 7 is going to actually be 1/4. Okay, so that's our answer there for 1/4, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for 3/4. So to find out how to get 3/4, we just take 1/4 and we multiply it by 3. So multiply 7 by 3 because we have 3 up there. So we multiply it by that. That's going to give us 21. So 21 is going to be 3/4. So 3/4 of 28 euro is 21 euro. And that's how we get that. And what about 4/9 of 117? Well, we're going to do the very same thing there, okay? So first of all, we need to get 1/9. To do that, we're going to divide by 9. So we're going to divide 117 by 9. So 9 into 1 doesn't go, or 9 is, we carry over 1. 9 into 11 goes once, carry over 2. 9 into 27 goes 3 times. So again, that 13 there, guys, that's 1/9. Okay, but we want to find out what 4/9 is. So once we know what 1/9 is, we just need to multiply by 4. So we'll take our 13 and we'll multiply that by 4. So 4 3s is 12, 4 4s is 4, and that 1 is 5 is 52. So 52 is equal to 4/9. So 4/9 of 117 euro is 52 euro. And that's our answer for that. So that's basically how we get those. Okay, so we divide by the number on the bottom first to find out what one of the fraction is, and then we multiply by the number on the top, the numerator, to find out what our answer is. All right, so that's as straightforward as I can make it for today. But if you do have any questions on this, please come back to me and ask, and I'll be happy to go through it again, just to clear up any mistakes or any uncertainties we have about this. All right, so best of luck with it, and I'll talk to you soon.